Good day everyone, welcome to my class. Standard 9th, chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Very easy chapter, just pay attention. Now suppose, first I will explain to you number line. We all have studied about number line. O corresponds to 0. Now you can see this is origin. Origin O corresponds to 0. There is 1 correspondence between the point and the number. Right side we have got positive numbers, left side we have got negative numbers. Now on the number line there is 1-to-1 correspondence between the point and the number. Now we go to the second topic, that is Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Now suppose imagine this board to be a plane. Now when I draw two perpendiculars, this is called x-axis and this is called y-axis, and the intersecting point is called origin. आगे समझ में? Y-axis, x-axis meeting at point O. This portion, suppose if I YOX is called first quadrant. It is divided into 4 quadrants. This is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant. And this is your fourth quadrant. आगे समझ में? First, second, third and fourth. Now here when we plot the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any observation? What is the difference I have written? When we go to the right side, they are positive. Now, if I say plot 1, 1, the point is, suppose if I give the name 1, 1. So 1 is here and this one. This is your A, 1, 1. 1 is called x coordinate, the first number, and the second number is y coordinate. That is a fixed pattern. Here in the first quadrant, both are positive. Okay? Now we come to the second quadrant. You see x is negative, y is positive. Suppose I want to plot -2 and 2 or -2 and 1. So the point will be here, B, -2 and 1 in this way. Okay? This is your 1. So it will be like this. Third quadrant, what do you say now? Both are negative. X and Y both negative. चलो यहाँ पे बताओ मुझे X positive और Y negative. आगे समझ में एकदम how to plot the points and all that. Clear? Now we will go to the exercise 3.1, which is very easy. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? First of all, I will explain that the study table is the first quadrant of the Cartesian plane. First quadrant. The edge nearer to me as the positive direction of the x-axis and the edge on my left is the positive direction of the y-axis. Now I will measure the distance of the table lamp from the edge nearer to me. Suppose that distance is y centimeter. Now I will measure the distance of the table lamp from the edge of my left. Suppose that distance is x. Now I can describe the position of the table, that is y centimeter away from the edge nearer to me, x centimeter away from the edge nearer to me, and that is to me on my left. In this manner I can describe the position of any object lying on the table with two independent informations. Okay. Question number 2, street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. Refer to the diagram. These two roads along the north, south and east-west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter, draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the road streets by single lines. Okay. There are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and the fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, read the question, then we call this street, cross street will be 2, 5. Okay. Using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3 and how many can be referred to as 3, 4. So first we have to draw the figure and then it becomes very easy to understand. So along with me, please take out your pencil and scale and draw the model of what is asked to you. So this will be your north, south, NS. Okay. Then comes east and west. And this is your city center. I'll draw the figure and then I'll explain to you. Chalo, how many streets are asked? This is road 1. This is road 2. ठीक है? चलो. 5 here, 5 here. 1, 2, 3. You have to draw with scale, huh? 4 और ये हो जाएगा 5. So I will write now street 1, then street 2. Now it is understood. 3, 4 and 5. ठीक है? Now we will draw this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 और ये 5. चलो, we'll start. Straight 5, straight 4, straight 3, 2 or 1. Now street 2 is meeting at 2, 5. ठीक है? Then this will be 3, 4. ये 3 और ये 4. उसके बाद 4, 3. So what is your assumption from the diagram? One and only one cross street can be referred to as 4, 3 because it is the intersection of the 4th street running in the north-south direction with 3 running in east-west direction. Okay. Now come to 3, 4. Second is 3, 4. Chalo, where is 3? 3. 3, 4 in the north-south direction 3 and 4th in the east-west direction. Clear? Now we are going to exercise. So just draw this figure. Exercise 3.2, very easy. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Horizontal line and the vertical line drawn are called x-axis and y-axis. What they are called? X-axis and y-axis. Okay. So your first answer is exercise 3.2. Very easy it is. X-axis and y-axis. आगे समझ में? चलो. Second one. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So, 4 parts. First quadrant. Then second part is your second quadrant. Third quadrant and is divided into fourth quadrant. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Line of intersection is called origin. Okay? आगे समझ में answers x-axis, y-axis. See the figure given below and write the following. चलो figure जरा देख लो. X-axis, y-axis, it is given in the textbook. Points are given. Only thing we have to write down the coordinates of the points asked. The first one is coordinates of B. So coordinates of B are -5 and 2. Diagram में देख के ही लिखना है. Coordinates of C are 5 - 5. The point identified by the coordinates -3 - 5 is your E. The point identified by the coordinates of 2 - 4 is your G. Figure देखते जाओ. Apsica of the point D, ordinate, this is apsica मतलब x coordinate और ordinate मतलब y coordinate. This is another name, we should know it. The coordinates of the point L, 0, 5. और last one, coordinates of the point M, -3 and 0. Diagram में देख के ही करना है. Okay? Clear? Any doubt? So just revise the chapter again. Thank you. We'll meet soon. Okay? So please prepare it nicely.